Good afternoon, everybody. This is the second part of our mega health camp in Kalikapur, Raj Kanika, and this is the very. I think this is one of the best and successful camp. I will see each and every part of our camp, and the camp is now absolutely 60% completed, and Baki remaining the 40% will be completed within 5 p.m. And look at the place where the decoration, everything is there. The camp registration. This is the registration office. The registration office. All even few people are standing for queue for registration and registration and senior citizen and handicapped, female, male, all the people are standing there for the registration. On my backward sides the people are standing for the registration, and this is the big school playground, and diabetes test facility over there, diabetes test facilities, and still the doctors are examining the patient one by one, and the founders are inaugurated the function, inaugurated the mega camp in a successful manner with the great speech. And still after 2:30 p.m. still the publics are coming slowly and slowly, and I think this is one of the successful and one of the historical camp, I think so. And look at all the places in the playground, all visions that looks awesome about the health oriented health camps, and the dental wing is there, medicine, cardiology. Sagar Pradhan is doing excellent job. Cardiology department is there, cardiology. ECG center is there, medicine. Still people are standing, still doctors are examining the patient, and this is a very good center, very good process that still doctors are examining all the, still the patients are rushing toward the lab and examining one after another, and very awesome and fantastic feelings. The mega health camp, which is almost successful, and the later part of the camp, that still the patients are waiting, and this is very good. And this is our pharmacy side. Still in the pharmacy side people are standing and waiting for their medicines, and look at the pharmacy side, people are standing in a queue for the medicine. Pharmacy side, pharmacy side, still people are waiting for their medicine, and this is the successful arrangement of a mega health camp in Kalikapur, Raj Kanika, Kendrapada, by Kalinga Institute of Medical Science. And this is the big LED screen which defined the success and the growth of Kalinga Institute of Medical Science through the big, larger LED and the excellence, everything. This is the detail. And thank you all the colleagues, all the staff of Kalinga Institute of Medical Science, all the pharmacists, those are involved, those are cooperate, those are participate in this noble occasion of mega camp, and congratulations to all. And we are enjoying a lot, even after humidity we still are providing our service as possible as. And this is one of the best, I think one of the well organized, well arranged health camp by KIMS, Kalinga Institute of Medical Science, the innovative and the progressive hospital of Bhubaneswar, and one of the greatest private hospital in the eastern part of India, which, and the hospital's facilities, the camp's motto is to provide the service to the downtrodden poor rural people, and the healing touch with affordable price. The slogan of Kalinga Institute of Medical Science. Really, this is a very successful and very entertaining and very historical camp. And look at the visions of everywhere, the campsite, and that looks awesome. Thank you. Thank you.